morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. I hope all you had a great Mother's Day. I met Robin for brunch yesterday. Had a nice stuffed French toast. Yeah, it was nice. Had huckleberries on top and a nice little cream filling. It was tasty. But boy, was that a sugar high for several hours. But it was good. We had a nice time. All right. Yesterday, we were in Chile. Oh, wow. Multi-layered dish. Actually, let me start with, I prepared, and I'm not even going to try the Spanish name. It translates to corn pie. Yeah. It's a multi-layered dish, beef, some chicken, some eggs. There's another layer in there which I didn't use, which was raisins and a little bit of olives, and then a corn. They called it a mushed corn. Had corn and peppers, and some other goodies and eggs, and baked. It was good. It was really good. I think because of all the spicy food that I was eating for the several days prior to, it was just to me. I'm not saying it. I hate to use the word bland, but there's no chili peppers in it. There's no, there is a chili powder, but I didn't use a real spicy chili powder. I did use a Mexican, one of the Mexican chili powders that I have on hand in my library. I will make this again, but I think I'll kick it up a little bit. It needs something. Oh, well, it's got plenty of basil in it, fresh basil. Wow. It was good. Try this, but it takes a little bit of time. Yeah. So just beware. It's not a quick meal, by no means, but it's good. Today, this is my super easy meal of the week. Chili dogs and fries. Yeah, let's get to it. Got the hardware. As you know, I like to saute my hot dogs. So that's the fry pan is out. A small or small-ish saucepan for the chili, and of course the sheet pan for the French fries. Hot dog buns. Nathan's hot dogs. I love Nathan's. I'm going with the Denison's no beans chili. They're calling it a con carne. This is one of the red onions that I picked up from my friends at the farmer's market on Saturday. I'll dice half of that up for this. And I'm going to just top it off with a couple different cheeses, a sharp cheddar, possibly a mozzarella, and of course my favorite pickled jalapenos, and good old crispy straight cut fries on the side, and there will be ketchup. So here's all the goodies for today's super simple meal. So yeah, I know I had listed a cake for this week. It makes a 9x13. No, I'm not going to do it. Robert and I actually discussed it yesterday. I don't think, because Robin works with all women, I don't think they'd appreciate most of a 9x13 cake coming into the office. So I'm scratching the cake this week because of the size. All right. On this Monday, actually, let me get back. Today, tomorrow, as long as the next few days, I'm going to be adding the t-shirts to the website. But if you would like a t-shirt, I have 3 different ones now. If you would like a t-shirt and don't want to go through the rigmarole, contact me directly. Facebook, email, text message, carrier pigeon, whatever. So there's going to be multi-colors available and multi-sizes. They are I guess you would say a unisex size. But I'm going to be working on that today and tomorrow to get those up on the website. You will be able to also order through the website. All right. on this Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.